Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore network security in cloud environments. Whether you're just starting out in cloud networking or expanding your security expertise, this lesson will guide you through essential concepts that help keep cloud networks secure. We'll break it down into manageable parts like virtual private cloud, VPC, firewalls, security groups, network ACLs, and secure communication protocols such as TLS, VPNs, and Zero Trust. Let's get started. The objectives of this lesson is to enable you to understand what a virtual private cloud, VPC, is, and the role of network segmentation in security. Differentiate between security groups, firewalls, and network ACLs. Recognize secure communication protocols and their importance in protecting data. Identify best practices to strengthen network security in cloud environments. Let's dive in. A virtual private cloud, VPC, is said to be your own isolated network environment in the cloud. Think of it like your personal, customizable data center, only it's hosted by a cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Also, within a VPC, network segmentation allows you to divide the network into smaller subnetworks, called subnets. Each subnet can be designated for different purposes, like databases, applications, or public-facing resources. Quickly, let's check out the benefits of network segmentation, which includes 1. Reduced attack surface. Isolating resources limits lateral movement by attackers. 2. Improved performance. Segregating traffic helps with load distribution. 3. Granular control. You can define which subnet talks to which. Having know these benefits, a common design is to have public subnets for NAT gateway and private subnets for databases. As we proceed in this lesson, know this. To protect resources within a VPC, we use security groups and network ACLs. This lesson is not complete if we don't talk about the security groups. So security groups act like virtual firewalls at the instance level. They control inbound and outbound traffic for each instance. It's also operate on a stateful basis, meaning, if you allow traffic in, the response is automatically allowed out. In addition, let's talk about network access control lists, NACLs. This work at the subnet level and provide another layer of security. These are stateless. You must define both inbound and outbound rules. Useful for blocking specific IP addresses or ports across a subnet. We are not done yet, but quickly let's look at how some cloud providers also offer managed firewall services, which provide centralized policy management, traffic inspection, and logging integration with threat detection tools. Furthermore, understanding how these components work together gives you powerful control over traffic flow and threat prevention. To solidify this lesson, secure communication protocols in the cloud. Network security isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's also about protecting data as it travels. To add to this, the most important secure communication protocols are encrypts data in transit. Commonly used in HTTPS for secure websites. Still on secure communication protocols, the VPN, virtual private network, also play an important role like establishes encrypted tunnels between on-premises networks and cloud environments. Useful for hybrid cloud setups or remote employee access. Lastly, on secure communication protocols, there is something called Zero Trust networking. It enables a modern security model that assumes no one is trusted by default, not even internal traffic. Verifies identity and enforces least privilege access at every layer. Often implemented with tools like identity-aware proxies or context-based access policies. These protocols help prevent eavesdropping, man-in-the-middle attacks, and unauthorized access. As we warp up in this lesson, the last thing we will be considering is the best practices for network security in cloud. Here are a few best practices to strengthen your network security. Use private subnets for sensitive workloads. Apply least privilege to security groups and NACL rules. Regularly audit network rules to remove unused or overly permissive access. Use encryption everywhere, heart rest, in transit, and during processing if needed. Implement logging and monitoring using tools like AWS CloudTrail or Azure Monitor. Adopt a zero-trust architecture. Verify everything, trust nothing by default. To recap what we've covered, in this lesson, what a VPC is and how segmentation secures cloud networks. The differences and use cases of firewalls, security groups, and NACLs. How secure protocols like TLS, VPN, and Zero Trust protect network traffic. 4. Best practices to enhance your cloud network security. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you for watching.